In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Shift key not working on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Once Device Manager window is opened, expand the list for keyboards by clicking the arrow next to it. If you have more than one keyboard driver, update each driver. Right click, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on Accessibility. Scroll down and you will find Keyboard. Make sure sticky, filter, and toggle keys are turned off. If this is happen to be turned on, just simply switch the buttons off. Okay? Then go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on it under the Best Match. Make sure to view this by category so that you can easily find the Ease of Access. Click on the Ease of Access. Click on Ease of Access Center.
Always scan this section.
Scroll down and you'll find this option, Make the keyboard easier to use. Click on that. So turned on this option. Turn on mouse keys, turn on sticky keys, turn on toggle keys, turn on filter keys, then click on Apply. And once the Apply option has been grayed out, then we need to uncheck all of these options. And just simply click on Apply and then OK.
Always scan this section.
Okay, so by using the three methods, your issue will be fixed. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.